Hello, we're going to be looking at the letter S today, and we know that S is the sound that the word seahorse begins. Seahorse. And we also know that S can also be added to the end of words. And if you add S to the end of a word, you change the meaning of the word. For example, we know the word cat is talking about one cat. But if we add S to the end of cat, it becomes cats, which is more than one cat. What if we had the word pan, and then we added S to the end of pan? It becomes pans, which means more than one pan. All right, so we're going to look at some other words. Let's do our sound by sound blending. I'm going to turn the computer here for you. And here I have a word, and we're going to see how it changes when we add an S to it. Fin. Now let's see what happens when we add the S. Fins. It means more than one fin, right? Like a fish might have two fins that it uses to help it swim. So let's do some blending of some other words that have S at the end and some that do not have an S at the end. Rib. Ribs. Do it with me. Pen. Pens. This is one. This is more than one. Can. Cans. Pits. Pit. Tens. Ten. Pad. Pads. So you see that S is very important. That when we add an S to the end of a word, it can change the meaning of the word to mean more than one.